Hello friends, welcome back. This is Adrika Vadari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, I have a question for you. So in this question, you have to ask user an input, and that input should be a number. Okay? And then you have to print a dictionary in which the keys will be ranging from 1 to 10, and the values will be the table of the number which user has entered. So suppose the user has entered a number 2. So the keys will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So these will be the keys ranging from 1 to 10. Okay. And the values will be the table of 2. 2 ones 2, as it is written 1 here in the key, and then 2 twos 4 in the value. Okay, the value should be the number which user has entered multiply by the key. Okay, the key, suppose it's 4, so the number which user has entered is 2 here, so 2 fours 8. Okay, so hope this question is clear to you, and as I'll provide the solution in my next video, so you can watch it out there. So see you soon in my next video, guys.